The top design software used by the top automobile industry in the world include 1. Siemens NX. Siemens NX is a widely used CAD, CAM, CAE software suite that is used by several leading automobile manufacturers. It is known for its powerful design and engineering tools, as well as its ability to handle complex assemblies. 2. CATIA. CATIA is a comprehensive software suite that is used for product design, engineering, and simulation. It is commonly used by automotive companies to design and develop complex components and systems. 3. AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a popular 2D and 3D CAD software that is widely used in the automotive industry. It is known for its flexibility and ease of use, and is commonly used for designing automotive components and assemblies. 4. SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a powerful 3D CAD software that is widely used in the automotive industry for product design and development. It is known for its ease of use and powerful simulation and analysis tools. 5. ANSYS. ANSYS is a simulation software suite that is used for engineering analysis and product design optimization. It is commonly used by automotive companies for analyzing vehicle performance and improving vehicle safety. 6. Altair HyperWorks. Altair HyperWorks is a comprehensive software suite that is used for simulation, analysis, and optimization of product designs. It is widely used in the automotive industry for designing and testing vehicle components and systems. Overall, the use of design software has become increasingly important in the automotive industry, as automakers strive to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and produce high-quality vehicles that meet the needs of customers.